Tired of projects feeling like a never-ending circus? Let's tame that chaos and unlock peak productivity with Basecamp in just 90 seconds. First up, ditch scattered to-do lists. Basecamp's projects feature your command center. Create a dedicated project for each initiative. Name it clearly, like marketing campaign Q3, so everyone knows where to find everything. Now, let's break down the work inside each project. Use the to-dos section. Create lists like social media content or website updates to categorize tasks. Assign each task to a specific team member and set a deadline. This ensures accountability and keeps everyone on track. Stop endless email chains. Basecamp's Campfire is your real-time chat for quick questions and updates need someone's attention. Use app mentions to notify them directly. This keeps conversations focused and eliminates inbox clutter. For important announcements and in-depth discussions, head over to the message board. Create clear, organized posts. For example, a campaign goals review message allows you to outline objectives and gather feedback in a structured manner. Stay in the loop without nagging. Set up automatic check-ins. Ask questions like what are your priorities for the week, and have them delivered automatically to the team. This helps you proactively identify roadblocks and track progress effortlessly. Finally, keep everyone informed about important deadlines and events with the schedule feature. Add launch meetings, deadlines, and presentations. Basecamp will automatically send reminders, preventing missed opportunities and keeping your project timeline on track. And that's it. By using these Basecamp features strategically, you can transform your team's productivity, streamline your workflow, and achieve project success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your project management tools. #Basecamp Productivity #Team Efficiency.